and today we'll be checking out the OpenCart multi-cart share and save plugin. And using this plugin, the web store customers would be able to select and reserve the items into the shopping cart for a purchase at a later time. And these carts can also be shared with the other users of the web store itself. And apart from that, it basically enhances the sale conversion with a preloaded cart, and the customers would be able to create multiple carts there, and they'll be able to add the products to each of those created what we say as the multi carts that he has already created. So as you can see right now, I'm at the store front end, and I have this particular product, that's the brown pencil skirt. And if I scroll down here, we can see that we have the add to cart button. So the customers can directly tap here to add the product to the cart and can make a checkout thereafter. But we also have this another button here. Basically this button provides the functionality of the multiple carts there. So guest user would not be able to do the same, cannot basically add the multi-cart, so it should be a logged in customer. So I'll just tap here on the please log in to add multi-cart, and then I'll be redirected to the login page, and here I'll be logging into my customer account. So you can see that I've logged into my customer account. Now let's go to that particular product once again. So here's the product, and now you can see that we have the create multi-cart button option here, and a drop down as well. So if I tap here on the drop down, you can see that I've already created 5 different add to cart lists here. And to create a new one, you just need to tap here on the add new cart list. For example, if I tap on that, and thereafter I can set up the quantity, and let me tap here on the add product to cart list button. So you can see that the product, the brown pencil skirt, has been added to the multi-cart list. Now after the product has been added to the multi-cart list, how we can check that? So let me show you that on the customer front first. So I'll go to my account, and here on the customer right hand section here, block where the customer account section is there, here we have the multi-cart list option. So I'll just tap on that, and that brings up the complete list of multi-cart lists that the customer has created. So here you can see that we have multi-cart 1, 2, 3 and 4. This one is the one that we just created with the brown pencil skirt, and we can also remove any of the products that we have added within any of the multi-carts there. So for example, if I want to remove this pasta and broccoli, so I'll just tap here on the remove button, and the item would be removed. So we only have one left. Now a same product can be added to any of the already created ones as well. Now let's add one more product to the multi-cart here, and then I'll be showing you how we can share the same. So I'll just go to this particular category here, and then I'll be choosing this one, the black leather shirt. So just kindly note this particular workflow. So here I want to add this to a multi-cart that I've created. I'll just choose my size for this, and I'll just tap here. So here we can see that we have 4 different carts. Now if I want this product to be added to any of the created ones, I just need to tap here on the cart list that we have created. Otherwise, to create a new one, you can just tap here on the add new cart, and then you can set up the quantity of the product that you want to keep it there. So that actually is the number of items that you want to purchase for that single product. So if I make it as 2, then 2 products would be there for the black leather skirt. So that's the quantity of the product that we want to purchase. So we can enter that here, and then you just need to tap here on the add product to cart list, and this creates a new cart list and adds this specific product on which we are to that particular cart itself. Now let's see if I tap here on the add to cart list 4. Again, then we have to set up the quantity of this product that we'll be purchasing, and then I'll just tap here on the add product to cart list. So you can see that the product has been added to the multi-cart list. I can just tap here as well, and now if I scroll down, we have the multi-cart list number 4. So I first did it for the brown pencil skirt, then I added this For the brown pencil skirt, I created a new one that was the cart list for, and then I added one more product from the product page, and I added that within the multi-cart list for that we have. So that's how the customer can basically easily create the multi-carts and can add the products within it. So we can also remove the products from a particular multi-cart list. So if I type here on the remove, the product would be removed. If I tap here on one more, remove, you can see that the cart has been removed, and now the what we say as the so as soon as we have removed all of the products from that particular cart, that cart would be completely removed. First we have the 4 ones, now we have only 3 cart lists left. So now let me show you how we can share these with the other customers. But before that, we can also tap here in the checkout button to move all the products into the cart. At the same time, apart from that, we can completely share this multi-cart list with any customer there. And this particular share your cart option is also visible in the shopping cart. So for example, if I open this a product, that's the iPhone, and let me add it to the cart. So here's the Apple iPhone, and let me tap here on the add to cart button. Now here you can see that we have the details, and here we have the share your cart button as well. Now to share this particular product with the other customers, I can just tap here in the share your cart, and that brings up the share multi-cart section, and here you need to write something about your cart items. So you can give a description for that. Then you need to enter your email to whom you want to send this particular multi-cart product or the product. Basically you can add multiple rows for the emails, so you can send this particular one to multiple customers at the same time. And thereafter you just need to tap on the send button, and as soon as we have tapped here on the send button, the particular multi-cart would be shared with the customer. So I'll just enter some details here. I just forgot to enter the description. Just give me a second. It's nice product that I want to purchase. And now I'll just tap here on the send button, and you'll see that we'll get a success message that you have shared your cart. So I'll just show you the email that the customer receives, whose email address we use here within the share your cart. So let me go back once and let me open my mail. And before showing you the email, you can also check the products or the carts that you want to share. So for example, if I choose multi-cart list 1 and list 2, and then if I tap here on the share your cart, these two multi-cart lists would only be shared with the emails that we have entered here. And to share the complete list of the multi-carts here, for example we have 3, I can directly just tap here on the share your cart, and this would share the complete multi-carts that we have created, and for each multi-cart their respective products would also be shared with the customer there. Now let me take you to the mail there. So here's the mail that I've received as a customer, and here you can see the my shared cart list, and here's the see my cart list button for the customer receiving the mail, and here's the description that we had entered there, and this is the heading here. So I can basically copy the link of this particular see my cart list, and let me open it in another window there. So I've just entered that. So now you can see that we have only the 5 products visible here for the shared cart, and that's how the other customer can now see the shared cart and can proceed further to make a checkout. And if I go to the multi-cart list here under the account panel of the customer, here we have the complete list of products that we have. The customer can also make move the what we say as he can basically move the multi-carts into the cart as well. So for that he just needs to tap here on the checkout button, and I'm sorry for that. So we just need to choose the cart that we want to check out with. So I'll just choose the multi-cart list 1, and I'll just tap here in the checkout button. Now you can see that both of the products within that cart 1 are added here along with the quantities that we had set. and here the customer can now easily make a checkout with the respective products. So that was how we can add the products to the multi-carts there, and how we can create the multi-carts from the drop down here on the product pages. And after adding to a new cart list, we have to enter the quantity of the product that we'll be purchasing at a later point in time. So that's how this particular plugin works. And under the my account section, all of the multi-carts would be visible to the customer under the multi-cart list, and from here he'll be able to see the complete list of multi-carts. So here you can see that we had removed one cart and we had added those products into the cart itself. Now those products of that particular cart have been removed now, and right now we have only 2 carts left. So that's how this particular thing works. We can also completely make a checkout with all of the products as well by selecting them and tapping here on the checkout button, and these products would also be added to the cart. So you can see that all of the products have now been added to the cart. Here's the product that we have initially added with 2 quantity of the product, and let's go back. So let's go back. So that was the option multi-cart list under the customer account panel. Now let me show you how we can add one more product. So let's go to the brown high heels. So for example, I want to add it into a cart that I've already created, so I can choose the cart from the drop down. Otherwise I can create a new cart list, and I can set the quantity here and then tap here on the add to multi-cart there. And now if I go back to the multi-cart list, here we'll see a cart list 1 and along with the product within that, and from here you can make a checkout as well, or you can share this particular cart with other customers. So if I select this multi-cart 1 and I'll just tap here on the share your cart button, and let me enter the details. For example, I'll be entering kindly make a checkout with the respective product itself, and here I'll be entering my email. I can add multiple ones and then just tap here on the send mail to the entered email ID button, and this is the mail that I've received. Now I can copy this particular link for the see my cart list, and let me go back. So the other customer has now opened this particular link by logging into his account, and here you can see the shared cart that was shared by the initial customer to the other customer whose email address we had added. So here's the product, and if I go to the multi-cart list here, we'll be finding all of the products that are there. So that was the complete working of this particular plugin. Let's go to the admin backend panel. Let's see how this particular can be configured from the admin backend panel. So for that, I'll just go to the admin backend panel now. And before proceeding further with the backend configuration, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. Apart from that, you can also give this particular video a thumbs up if you like the video. So I'll just log into the admin backend panel now. And from here, we'll be navigating through extensions, then extensions. And here we'll be choosing modules, and here we'll have to check for our multi-cart thing. So here we have the Webkul multi-cart and share cart option, and just tap here on the edit button that we have. So from here we can enable or disable this particular functionality of providing the option for the customers to add multi-carts, and the option to share the carts with other customers as well. And you can also choose this as disabled, and you can from the drop down you can also choose the store within which you want to apply this particular feature. And lastly, you just need to tap here on the save button to save the initial configurations for this particular product. So that's how this particular plugin works. That's the OpenCart multi-cart and share plugin. And if you still have any questions or queries regarding this plugin, then please do get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvidesk.com. Apart from that, you can also reach out to us through our contacts link, that is www.webkul.com/contacts. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video. and have a great day ahead.